माननीय अध्यक्ष जी।
The monsoon session of Parliament entered a crucial phase as both houses took up an in-depth discussion on Operation Sindoor, a significant military operation launched in May to counter cross-border terrorism. While the Lok Sabha concluded its debate on Tuesday, the spotlight was on the Rajya Sabha on Wednesday. Opening the debate in the upper house, External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Shankar laid out India's diplomatic stance during the operation. He underscored that the ceasefire between India and Pakistan was not influenced by any external pressure and reaffirmed that the issue remains strictly bilateral.
There was no leader, nobody anywhere in the world who asked India to stop its operations. There was no linkage of trade in any of those conversations, and there was no cause between Prime Minister and President Trump.
The Rajya Sabha witnessed a spirited exchange, with opposition leaders trying to corner the government on multiple fronts, from intelligence inputs to operational details and political accountability. Responding to the opposition, BJP National President and leader of the House, JP Nadda, strongly defended the government's handling of the operation. He hailed the Indian Armed Forces for executing the mission with tactical precision and unmatched professionalism.
यह जरूर है कि सारी घटना में जो रोल हमारे जांबाज फौज ने किया, जो रोल हमारे पुलिस ने किया, जो रोल हमारी आर्मी ने किया, उसको देश नमन होकर के उनके प्रति आदर के साथ। लेकिन मैं इस हाउस के माध्यम से देश को यह बताना चाहता हूं कि पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होती है, क्योंकि फौज को आदेश पॉलिटिकल लीडरशिप देती है, और इसलिए देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल गवर्नमेंट, अ रिस्पॉन्सिव गवर्नमेंट, अ सेंसिटिव गवर्नमेंट, अ प्रोएक्टिव गवर्नमेंट, and a government which responds according to the need of the hour.
Home Minister Amit Shah hailed the security forces for the success of Operation Sindoor as well as that of Operation Mahadev.
22 मई को हमें सूचना मिल गई थी कि ये जगह पे टेररिस्ट लोकेट है। 22 जुलाई को इनके लोरा सेट को ट्रैक करने का काम समाप्त हुआ। एग्जैक्ट पिन पॉइंटेड लोकेशन को आइडेंटिफाई किया गया और स्ट्राइक किया गया। तीनों आतंकवादी मारे गए हैं। कोइंसिडेंट देखिए मान्यवर, देश भर से मुझे बहुत एसएमएस आए थे, विशेषकर जो मारे गए थे उनके परिजनों का, इनके सर में गोली मारिएगा, जब भी मारे तब। तीनों के एनकाउंटर के वक्त तीनों के सर में ही गोली लगा है।
With more than 16 hours of debate in both the houses, Operation Sindoor has emerged as one of the most intensely discussed national security operations in recent memory. The government has clarified that the operation was aimed at neutralizing threats and asserting India's zero-tolerance policy towards terrorism. Clearly, Operation Sindoor, though concluded on ground, continues to echo within the walls of India's highest legislature, reflecting the nation's resolve and political accountability. The Bindu Mondel's report, DD India.